How to invoice Tetra Pak. At Tetra Pak, we value our suppliers. Our suppliers are present in our productive, structural, and strategic chains, so we always try to achieve a partnership relationship with all of you. For the billing and payment process to be smooth for both you, the supplier, and us at Tetra Pak, and to achieve our goal within the expected time frame, here are some very simple steps that must be respected. Order confirmation. The purchase of goods or hiring of services by Tetra Pak is confirmed when you receive our purchase order. See the following example. After the negotiation process, we send a 120 pallets purchase order to our supplier. The supplier must send the confirmation of receipt of this order, validating the following information: specification of the product or service, price in the trading currency, quantity, date of delivery or completion of the service, the delivery address. The email to send the confirmation of the purchase order is on our purchase order in the Our Reference field. Invoicing. Our system receives the invoices in an automatic way. No one reads the body of the email, so it is important that each invoice may contain the necessary information to be processed. The lack of information will result in the rejection of your invoice. See the mandatory information. The purchase order number and the line item number must appear in the body of the invoice. Follow the exact unit price as specified in the purchase order, including the decimals. The invoice must be sent to the branch of Tetra Pak responsible for the order, which is informed in the same document. Note here where we find this information. When sending your invoice to the accounts payable address, please follow these rules. Invoice must be in PDF format. Only one invoice per file. Send only one invoice by email. Do not send multiple documents attached to the email. Send your invoice to the account payable email. Each legal entity of Tetra Pak has a single accounts payable email. This information is available on our purchase order. Note here where to find this information. Warning: some countries require instructions for submission of supplementary invoice to the already submitted information. In this case, be attentive to the additional information available on the purchase order that may be in the first or last page. It is very important to check this information on each purchase order. Everything checked and correctly filled out. You're ready. Now just wait for the accounts payable department to make the payment. Remember, our system receives the invoices in an automatic way, in an address used only to receive invoices. No one reads the body of the email, so it is important that each invoice may contain the necessary information to be processed. Communication with Tetra Pak. Who to contact in Tetra Pak. It is important to have your updated information. Inform us whenever there are changes in your location, bank details, email to send purchase orders, and notices of payment. Inform the buyer responsible for your company in Tetra Pak. If it is necessary to know the status of the payment, contact us via the email that appears on our purchase order in the Our Reference field. It is different for each market. This email is for exclusive use for issues related to your billing. Thank you very much for working together in the commitment to efficiency and productivity.